Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Google Gemini AI. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So Gemini AI, currently developed by Google DeepMind, represents a significant advancement in large language models or LLMs, poised to surpass the capabilities of the current state of the art LLM, which is ChatGPT, drawing on the technology and methodologies employed in the creation of AlphaGo, an earlier AI system developed by DeepMind in 2016. Now, Gemini AI is anticipated to exhibit the robust planning and problem-solving capabilities. Now, this formidable tool holds vast potential across various applications, including chatbots, content generation, virtual assistants, data analysis, medical diagnosis, and even financial trading. Now, Gemini AI operates as a neural network trained on an extensive data set encompassing text and code from diverse sources like books, articles, and code repositories. Now, through this training, the neural network gains an understanding of patterns and relationships among words and phrases, empowering it to generate text, translate languages, create various forms of content, and provide informative responses. Now, as of now, Gemini AI is not publicly available, but is expected to be released in the future, accessible through a cloud-based API. Now, if you want to learn more about Gemini AI, well, you could visit their website. So in this case, we need to go to deepmind.google.com, and from here, what we need to do is click on the button here that says Explore More. Now, once you click on it, it's going to load up the next page we're in. It's going to say Gemini AI Era. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and read through all of the information that you see here, and from here, you could learn more about the system that is Gemini AI, and from here on, you could also see any announcements on actually using or integrating Gemini AI into your systems. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.